Are you passionate about hot dogs? Ready to start your own business? Let's dive into the world of hot dog selling. First, let's talk about the costs involved in starting this venture. You'll need to budget for a variety of expenses. You'll need a hot dog cart or a food truck, which can cost anywhere from 4,000 to 90,000 rand, depending on the quality and condition. Hot dog cart can be bought at catercorp.co.za. Don't forget about licenses and permits. You'll need to pay for health department permits and a business license, which could cost around 200 to 850 rand. Next, consider the cost of purchasing equipment like a grill, steam table, cooler, and food prep utensils, which can add up to 4,000 to 18,000 rand. Don't underestimate the importance of branding and marketing. You can design your own free logo and other advertising equipment such as flyers on Canva. You can also use platforms like TikTok to promote your business. Now, let's talk about the necessary equipment for your hot dog business. First and foremost, you need a grill to cook your delicious hot dogs. You'll also need a steam table to keep your hot dogs warm and an umbrella or canopy to shield you from the sun or rain. Don't forget about serving equipment like tongs, trays, and napkin dispensers. These small things can make a big difference in customer satisfaction. You'll need to invest in a quality cooler to keep your drinks cold and a cash register to manage your transactions. A hand sanitizer station is crucial for maintaining hygiene, and don't forget about cleaning supplies to keep your space spotless. To make your job easier, consider purchasing a high-quality food processor to quickly chop onions, tomatoes, and other garnishes. You can start selling your hot dogs from 26 to 54 rand depending on extras you have included in your hot dog chips. Safety is also a priority. Invest in fire extinguishers and first aid kits to ensure the well-being of yourself and your customers. Remember, starting any business involves risks, so do thorough research, create a detailed business plan, and be prepared to adapt along the way. Now, let's start grilling those delicious hot dogs and making your hot dog selling dream a reality.